Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase MailPoet Pro plugin for your WordPress website for email marketing purposes. Okay, so let's get started. So first open your browser and type for Bloggingify store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect on this type of product page. Okay, so here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with auto update. So you will get lifetime or yearly update from your WordPress dashboard. So if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about MailPoet. So let me type mail, and here you can see we have lots of item with mail names. Okay, so let me click on MailPoet Pro activation with original license key, and in this plan we have 30k subscriber. That means you capture 30k subscriber from your email dashboard. Okay, from with your plugin. Okay, so use for one domain number of subscriber you can collect 30k. Auto update, yes, yearly. Installation manually we will install. Type original license key we have, so you will get 1 year update from your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so here is the pricing in INR and here's the pricing in USD, approx 15 USD. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, your first name, last name, WhatsApp number, basic information, and if you're from India you can select here INR currency and go to checkout page for the Indian payment gateways. So let me just go to checkout page. Now here you can see Indian payment gateways, that is Cash-free and PhonePe payment solution. And if you outside of India, you can select PayPal for the payment confirmation and just click on I have read and agree to the website terms and condition. Now confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect this type of thank you page, and here you can see our download button. Just click on it and you will see our premium contact support there. So just share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and product too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much guys for watching this video.